Say the word, girl.
Hi everyone. This is Poojith. I have created this small animated video. I hope that you would like this video.
Mom, can we go for a picnic today? I am bored staying at home.
Okay. Let's go to picnic today.
Dad, I and Mom plan to go for a family picnic.
Okay. Let's go for a family picnic. So, everyone, get yourself ready. So, let's go to picnic. Now, we have reached to our picnic spot. Let's enjoy our picnic.
Dad, we both will go and play in the empty space.
Okay. Play safely.
This is a very big space to play.
Now start playing.
Kids, the supper is ready.
Let's go. Supper is ready.
Super. Supper is ready.
The supper looks very nice to eat.
Yes, it is very nicely prepared. So, have you all enjoyed your picnic?
Yes, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Okay, let's go home.
So that's the end of this video. I hope that you would like this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.